Tibbetts.
We have some people who want to go rafting today.
How you guys feeling this morning? Pretty good, pretty excited. Todd didn't scare you off with the 3300 CFS safety lecture?
Absolutely not.
Good deal, good deal. So let me ask you this, what's your name?
Derek.
Derek. So what did Todd say up in the safety lecture that's really sticking in your head right now you're going to put to good use down on the gorge here?
He said we're probably going to flip.
He said you're probably going to flip.
Yeah.
How do you feel about that?
Not good.
Not good, not good. How do you feel about it, Ted?
I don't feel good about that.
I don't either. I don't either.
Well, I think he's referring to the falls.
Ah, yes.
Yeah.
Okay. That's one thing. How you feeling, my man?
Pretty good.
So, Class 5 Exterminator, the E-hole, right around that corner down there. How does that make you feel inside?
A little nervous.
A little nervous. A little nervous. Excited is good. Nervous is good. If you're not nervous at 3300, then you got a gut check going on. I'm nervous. What's going on in your head, bro?
Mine?
Yeah.
Nothing really.
Feeling pretty good?
Yeah.
I like it, guys. I like it. Well, you have your guide. You have your raft. You guys have been prepped. You're well prepared for this next step in your whitewater careers. You guys ready? I like it, guys. Good luck. Paddle hard down there. Exterminator coming right up. So here we are, Class 5, Penobscot put in. We're tightening up some PFDs for the pending adventure. How you guys doing? Nice. The excitement levels are high. That's what you want. Jake, man. So,
What's happening, brother?
You guys have been, you know, observing and, you know, filming, documenting this river from the shore for the last day or so. Now you're about to put yourselves in it. So where's your head at? What are you thinking?
Pumped. Ready to go.
Nice. And you guys also witnessed kind of a unique moment in the crib works yesterday.
We did indeed.
So how are you feeling about the crib works at this point?
Hopefully we don't do what they did yesterday.
Exactly, exactly. I would like to see that not happen as well. How you doing this morning?
Pretty good, excited.
Are the nerves pretty high?
No.
You ever done this before?
Twice.
Twice, cool, cool. Have you ever done it at 3300 CFS?
32.
32, that's pretty close. And you came back for more.
Always.
I like it, I like the enthusiasm. So where are you guys from?
I'm from Cumberland, Maine.
Cumberland, Maine?
Yep.
So now you found yourself up in T2R9.
Yes.
About to chuck yourself down a Class 5 gorge.
Yes. Very excited.
So what did somebody say to you to convince you to come up here and do some rafting?
No one had to say anything. I was pumped.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
I've done it before.
Beautiful area, awesome river. You got an awesome river guide here and Todd Mercer. Who took you down the river in the past?
New England Outdoor.
New England Outdoor.
Yeah.
I didn't know if you had a guide from Northern that took you down in the past. But we'll see how Todd competes.
All right.
Well, you guys, good luck. Paddle hard, dude.
All right.
I'll see you guys down there, yeah? All right, we're walking, we're talking, we're chatting up here at McKay Station at the Penobscot River put-in. How you doing this morning, bud?
Good, how are you?
How you feeling about the old Ripogenus Gorge and Exterminator right now?
It's good.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
Pretty good? So let me ask you this. What has Miss Brandy told you that is really sticking in your head you're going to put to good use down here?
Paddle hard. Boat's going to stay upright.
That would be a good idea. That would be a good idea. I like that idea. Keep the boat like this and not like this. That is the goal. Who's got the most whitewater gumption in this boat right now? Who's the most pumped?
Probably.
This guy? You pretty pumped up, dude?
Yeah.
Could you do me a favor?
It's excitable.
Because you got the shades for this shot too. I like the shades. Could you go ahead and yell Exterminator into this camera on the count of 3 for me?
I'm not the guy. I'm not the guy for it.
Who is the guy to do that for me?
This is a Robert thing.
Where's Robert?
This is a Robert thing.
Robert, you got it.
Exterminator!
1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3.
Exterminator!
That's what you want. He did it. Thank you, dude. You guys, good luck. Paddle hard, dude. Exterminator, Rip Gorge, coming up.
All right, guys.
Right now.
Again, we're going to walk straight ahead.
Woo! right, we're down here at the world famous Penobscot River Northern Outdoors lunch site. How you doing, fellas?
Pretty good. Good.
Pretty good. So, did this happen in the crib works, or was that already there?
I think it happened there.
That happened there.
Yeah.
So there was a little bit of carnage, church carnage. Nothing too crazy, but you took a little swim up in the crib works, eh?
Yeah, this wasn't bad.
How did?
You just said you thought you were gonna die.
So take me back to when you ended up out of the raft and kind of play by play what was going through your head.
Okay, so right before this man, I saw him, and then he like pushed his stick at me. So he knocked me out. And I'm like, bye.
So you got pushed out of the raft.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. Is that an accurate account of what happened?
Not at all.
So in your mind, how did this go down?
The raft tipped.
Mm-hmm.
We all thought it was going over.
Yep.
He fell out, and then instead of reaching to grab him, I jumped back to the other side to save everybody else, naturally.
Classic.
You know, right the raft. And then
Nice.
I fell right where he was after that, and he just wasn't there anymore. So.
And then you were on kind of a special ping pong journey on your own, huh?
Yeah.
Any bumps and bruises, or
Not bad.
you all good?
A little scratch
Oh, not too bad.
somewhere.
In better shape than the guy that swam it yesterday.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. He made it back though. He's fine.
That's good.
Favorite part of the day so far, dude?
When he fell out.
When he fell out. It's a good friend.
Yeah, I know.
Good friend.
out too.
Yeah, I did.
You did?
First bump we hit.
Oh, so you fell out at Exterminator. Jesus, Ted. And you fell out in the crib works.
Yep.
You guys think you'll stay in the boat for the falls, coming right up?
Nope.
Nope, not a chance. Not a chance. We'll see what happens. The falls will tell us in the near future. How's your day going, guys?
Doing good.
Any highlights from your river trip so far you want to share?
Nothing as such. It's just going without any hiccups.
Nice, nice. So you guys are happy that you've been staying in the raft so far?
We have managed to stay there.
Do you think that'll happen for the remainder of the trip? We still got 3 solid rapids left. Class 4s.
Let's see.
You guys are done with the class 5s. So.
Class 4 then I think we'll manage.
I like it. I like it. I like the confidence level. You guys having fun?
Yeah.
This beautiful day in Maine?
Exactly.
Cool, cool, man. All right, we're going to head down river. You guys ready for some more paddling action?
Yes.
Everybody's digesting well? Good. How's the coffee?
Very good.
Excellent. You got your caffeine buzz for the falls?
Good to go.
I got mine. I'm ready.
Ask her about falling over.
You fell in too?
I was under the boat.
Where did that happen?
What one was it? We were surfing
Oh,
somewhere.
second drop.
We hit each other midair and then both.
And you blooped
split,
out?
And I blooped under the boat for a while.
How was that experience under the raft?
I eventually made it out, so
Nice.
fine.
And you still enjoy rafting?
Yes.
Nice. That's what we want to hear. Glad you made it back. One piece. All right, guys, we're wrapping things up here at the Northern Outdoors lunch site. Keep up the good work, everybody. Yeah. And we will see y'all downriver, just out in Hunk Falls. Yeah, man.